So this is a sunset view over water villa in the Maldives. It's a brand new 5-star resort that has an art concept. So you'll see quite a bit of artistic detail everywhere. Now this is kind of dark. So here's the bedroom off to the left. You can see quite dramatic. There's a sitting area, the view. The minibar is actually called a fashion bar. So you've got water, you've got your sodas and other snacks, coffee, maybe a welcome bottle of champagne. Some more information about your stay, large screen TV. I do also want to point out that there is an iPad that allows you to control everything in the unit, from lighting to curtains to TV to just everything. So a view out the vestibule into the very large bathroom. Notice double vanity, deep soaking tub. Out to the left, you can see there's a large deck with a sitting area. Also a very, very, very long pool on the deck. So back to the bathroom. There is a closet for him with robe and slippers. Closet for her, robe and slippers. Also a full vanity. And if we go out here, there's an outdoor shower in a courtyard. Very handy if you need to rinse off after you swim. And we turn full circle for a dramatic view from the bathroom through to the bedroom.